Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. It's Sosa here. So today guys, we are making Nigerian stew. So this is the meat I am using for this recipe. I have beef in there, I have heart chicken and turkey. So the first thing now, I'll go ahead and parboil my meat. So that's seasoning cube, some salt, chopped ginger and garlic, chopped onions, non-aromat seasoning, oregano, dried parsley, curry powder, fresh thyme, so give that a good stir. Just so you know, I've turned on the heat already, so I'm just gonna leave that for like 5-10 minutes. So this is a way of marinating your chicken, okay? That is if you don't want to leave it overnight. So I'll just go ahead and add some water. So that's red bell pepper, long bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and fresh ginger. You see these chopped tomatoes right here? I absolutely love it in my stew. Fresh tomatoes. Okay. So I just go ahead and transfer all the ingredients into a blender. So let's check our meat, guys. So the meat is well cooked already, you guys. So I'll go ahead and transfer it into my air fryer. So next, I'm going ahead and parboil the tomatoes. Personally, guys, I am not a fan of, frying, okay? Like, I don't like frying my Nigerian stew because I feel like it's not healthy. So I am going to be doing the boiling method. As you can see, the tomatoes is boiling, okay, still boiling. So this is the consistency I am looking for, guys, okay, when there's no longer water in it anymore. now, as you can see, I am pouring my meat stock. So I'll go ahead and add bay leaves. Add some curry powder. Seasoning cubes. Some salt. Add the air fried chicken. As you can see right now, there's still water in it, so it's not well cooked. So how you know your Nigerian stew is ready is when you see oil floating on top. Like when you see oil floating on top of the stew, you know that your stew is ready, like it's well cooked. You can see that there's oil floating on top now. So that's how you know that your stew is ready. Okay, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.